So, you know, this morning I was just taking a look at it and I realized that this pile of shit's pretty fucking dirty inside. So, with the fucking electricity prices on the rise because of that guy up in Parliament, you know, that Wynn motherfucker, I was thinking I'll teach you how to make a gas-powered vacuum to save yourselves on electricity. First, you got to start with a 2-piston vacuum pump. You know, I prefer Rotax as a manufacturer. You know, if you haven't been collecting garbage since you were a small child, you might not just have these fucking things laying around, but in my case I do, so it works pretty good. So yeah, we'll get to it. What a fucking place to call your home. Just mint shit everywhere. Like, holy. This twin piston vacuum pump that I have over here is also mobile. Just highly convenient. Oh shit. Fucking inconvenient as shit. Alright. So, let's get to it. Look at that. Just fucking oil. I forgot. Just like any good, hard-working Canadian, she needs her morning breakfast blend. I'll be back. Good morning. Could I please get an extra large black dark roast?
Okay.
And could I get a large with 1 cream? And that's a dark roast too.
Sorry, it's dark roast too?
Yeah, so we have an extra large black dark roast.
I got that.
Okay, yeah, and then the extra large dark roast with 1 cream.
Was it a large or an extra large?
That's just a regular large.
Okay.
Those orders always trip me up. I'm sorry about that.
420, do you have enough, please?
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I bet she'd like that. Holy fuck. $4.79. I got even $10 for that shit. Can't afford it. I'll be back.
Oh, it's something weird.
Holy. Do I ever feel fucking useless with a coffee and a fucking camera in a hand? Good thing I got an assistant now. Oh. Here, this shit looks like a fucking party. That ought to light her right off. Is there even fucking paint left into her?
Oh, dude.
Mint! No, we don't need that. Oh!
We'll punish her later.
Just a second. By the way, you guys ever need, like, fucking, you got a dash for a first-gen Dodge on the ground, fucking copious amounts of Yamaha phaser parts. Look at that shit.
We got
Just mint.
parts.
Fucking subwoofers. Oh, need that. Watch the fender for the Cornet. We got a fucking Cessna windshield. Like, just copious amounts of shit. Let me know. So basically, just like any fucking good Canadian, she needs a little shot of the good stuff. You know, fucking aerosols. It's all the same. Basically ether. Fucking oil. Alright. Stumpy, could you please take her home? Not too happy this morning. It's all good. We'll go meet the old fucking girl up top. Just fucking loyal, that thing. And again, all of this shit over here is for sale. You know, we got half a Yamaha phaser, John Deere tractors, just, you know. I don't know if we're gonna have enough hose to do any fucking damage.
Oh no, we gotta use the other.
The system has been completed and it is gonna be fucking mint. Here. Maybe we'll give it a fighting chance and not suck all the shit out of the dirt. Alright. Could you start the vac? Oh. Is it dead already? Oh shit. Well,
She might need more coffee.
apparently.
Oh,
What?
she's stuck wide open.
Apparently she likes wood more than fucking sand.
And paint. It's all sticky.
Did you get her fixed? What happened? Oh, it's all covered in sand.
Oh.
She don't like
Oh.
that. She don't like that one bit. Oh shit. Fucking wooden zip ties only, apparently.
We'll get her fixed. She's starting to work.
We'll get her fired up. We'll get her wound right the fuck out before we put the vacuum to her this time.
Yeah.
Yeah, get a nicer hose on it that way.
Oh, sucking fuel. We'll wash out the carburetor a little.
Oh my. Well, it's not like this thing to complain. Well, I think we should check for the sparkage. They're just fouled, fuck. I knew it was too soon. No mechanical damage whatsoever. Man. See, it's just like fucking Easter. You wander around in the forest around my place for long enough. There's colorful little treasures everywhere.
Like the mid phaser. That should run.
That should run just right as rain. Mint! Get this son of a bitch too. Maybe have a little bit of an issue with the plug.
Not even tight.
Just put a new igniter on the top of it. Yeah, no, I was trying to keep the water in the bottom end for lubrication purposes.
Just greasily clean.
Oh yeah, those are perfect.
They're like fucking
Oh baby, we live to vacuum again. We gotta put a band-aid on her good old nose hole because she had an air leak and that was reducing her suction. And even a little bit of tippies into her. And now,
she'll be happy.
Stumpy, could you put her nose on? Oh, I'll put her nose on when she's running. Rev her up! Keep her up! A little bit of fresh air.
Oh,
Right arm.
hold another pair.
Does it still turn? Holy! Just fucking loyal.
Sounds a little gravel.
There any compression into it?
Oh yeah.
Oh my. Just fucking loyal this thing is. Such a multi-use machine. You know, this fucking thing never fails to impress. Look at down that carb. Like, she's lived a hard life. This thing works harder than fucking 14-year-olds in a carpet factory. Like, holy shit. And she just takes it on the daily.
Like?
Yeah, I think we might as well see what these plugs look like. I think the plugs are just fouled. I think she'll keep running for another 5 years.
Let's ran for what, 30? 40?
Yeah, exactly. But I mean, it's only had a hard life since I got her. Whoo, that carb. Oh.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Yeah, the plugs are just fouled. It's fine.
A little bit of sand in there.
Look at that. those, oh, you don't know if you can see those pistons in there, but they're in pretty good shape still. Actually look
They
like
look like they've been sandblasted.
Yeah, they look like they've been sandblasted. They're all nice and clean.
Whoever had this took care of it, you know.
Oh yeah.
Got them sandblasted pistons and shit.
For every 850 free ride that blows up, this thing eats 2 pounds of sand.
Oh,
look at that, just running perfect. I wonder if they still have ignition. We should do a fucking compression test on this thing. I'm really interested to see.
I think it'd have like more than a race engine, bud.
Probably.
It's a low compression race engine. See if she's got.
Well, she needs boost, is what she needs. Holy! Wow, there's no reason this thing shouldn't run. We'll have her going in a second. Well, she's primed up and ready to go.
Oh. Come on. You can do it.
Oh shit.
Kickstart?
Nah. I think she gets a power nap for today.
I want to try to kickstart. These don't work as good as these.
Nope.
She's got too much compression.
I think it's time we tear it down.